Welcome to another Chris Kelly training video. In this video, we should be showing you how to safely pull up on the right for your driving test. First of all, we need to find a safe place. So, just like pulling up on the left, we want to make sure that we're not blocking anyone's driveway or any drop curbs, that we're not opposite or too close to any junctions, and also that we're not on or too near a bend. Then, if it's safe ahead of you, mirrors, signal if anyone benefits, and then manoeuvre onto the right hand side of the road, making sure you don't hit the driver's side front wheel on the curb as you bring it in. If there is oncoming traffic, make sure to carefully wait till they've gone past, and then when you get a safe gap, bring it in, making sure you drive along the curb for a little bit just to get the car straight. Step 2. The reverse. The examiner will ask you to reverse approximately 2 car lengths. Like all the manoeuvres, you should never be going faster than a very slow walk. It's important when reversing to do full observations over your left and right shoulders, remembering not just to look for the cars coming up and down the road, but also the pavements for pedestrians stepping out or any vehicles that might be reversing off any driveways. Remember to keep that very slow walking pace by dipping the clutch. It's a good idea, if the weather permits, to have your windows down. This may enable you to hear hazards before you see them, such as front doors closing or engines starting on people's driveways. If there is a vehicle in front of you, reversing 2 car lengths back will help expand your field of vision, making it safer and easier to move off again. Remember, when reversing, everybody has priority over you. Step 3. Moving off from the right. When moving off again, make sure it's safe ahead and behind. Also making sure to check your blind spots to make sure there are no vehicles emerging from any driveways or side roads. If visibility ahead of you is limited, you may need to slowly and carefully edge out. You may have heard your instructor refer to this as creep and peep. Be very careful when rejoining the flow of traffic. You must not make any other vehicles slow down, stop, or swerve. Hope you found this video useful. Any further questions, please ask your Chris Kelly Driving School instructor. Good luck with your test.